Hi guys, Bo is here. Welcome back to the channel. I just finished installing the gray water tank, and today I want to show you how I am going to install my cabinet support when it opens up and it stays up. Usually I use the other kind where it's a soft close and it's adjustable. This time I'm going with the Gas Struts, which these here, okay, these are 6 inches. It's a 20N model. Overall length with the bracket and everything is about 7 inches long, and it supports up to 6 pounds, between 6 and 7 pounds. Okay, this is perfect for my application, which is my opening here is about overall is about 13 inches. My door is 12 inches, and it's only a pound, 2 pounds weight, and I have installed this one already. It looks really cool. Okay, short, it's not bulky, and very soft close, you can see here. Okay, also open, it's very soft. This is, I can show you here. Look at that. Okay, so it's very soft, very light, and it comes with this here to mount on. It has 3 holes. Okay, I am using it on the aluminum extrusion, so it's gonna be only 2 holes used. All right, so, and because I'm using this button head screw here, this is the 8mm button head screws, and it's a little bit larger than this is the original hole right here. It's a little bit larger than that hole, so I enlarged these 2 holes. It's pretty easy, just with the regular drill bit, and it fits there with my, it's gonna be a drop-in T-nut right there. It takes 2 of them, and then mount it on within let me get the camera over here. So right here you can see the 2 screws I'm using between the channels, the 8mm button head screws. I can list all of these in the link below, including the strut here. There, like that. It works perfect with my concealed hinges, and you can even close it down a little bit if you want to, if you don't have to open all the way up until it gets to here, and there we go. It's very soft closed. All right guys, that's it. Beautiful. Okay, that's all. I just want to quick show you guys what I'm using. Maybe you can copy that if you have the same door. These are light. Again, these cabinet doors are from IKEA, 24 inches. Okay, 24 inches is perfect for that. I have the 36 inches. It's kind of a little bit too heavy for it, but if you put 2, it's perfect. I put 1. It holds, but you have to like push it up a bit and stay. I'll show you right now. But this is 24 inches, and it's perfect. Look at this. Okay, these are all cool. This one, because the AC here a little bit down lower than the other ones, but that's fine. Okay, and let's take a look at the 36 inches. Okay, so these are a little bit softer than the other ones. It still stay, okay, if you have it all the way up, but this side, because of the AC right here, I don't have it all the way up to, you know, more to a 90 degrees, so it's about this much, and I have to kind of let it go slowly so it stays up. It comes down a little bit, but it will stay up there, but that's fine. I just want to use one. I don't want to use two each. Okay, this one's one, and it's pretty good, smooth. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I will list all the hardware that I'm using here in the link below if you want to go ahead and use the same stuff. I see you next time. Bye bye.